Ambient air pollution accounts for an estimated of 4.2 million deaths per year due to stroke, heart disease, lung cancer, and chronic respiratory diseases. This mortality is due to exposure to small particulate matter of 2.5 microns or less in diameter. The pandemic has changed our lives forever. The way we work, the way we travel, and the way we interact with strangers, friends, and family. The potential risk of a new pandemic threatens our personal and professional projections, our dreams. The quality of the air we breathe has taken on a relegated importance for years. Now it is time to decide what reality we want to live in. How do we want to protect ourselves, and what kind of new interactions can we experience? Numina will allow you to move into the city with total peace of mind, always breathing fresh, clean air free of pathogens and pollution, giving you physical and identity protection by customizing the way you want to interact with others.
The air quality sensors installed in Numina will keep track of the pollutant particles to which you are exposed on a daily basis, in order to raise public awareness and demand policy changes in cities that do not meet World Health Organization standards. With the Starlink connection, you will be able to use Numina's augmented reality navigation system in real time without the need to use your cell phone. Choose the music you want to listen to based on your mood to concentrate, meditate, or relax. Geolocated messages will appear when the receiver approaches the specified area. Our augmented reality interface, assisted by the artificial intelligence installed in Numina, will give you the opportunity to maintain real-time conversations with your contacts.